Hello there! This is my personal webpage I am gladly presenting you here, and also a solution to a task in HarvardX CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course. Let's take a glance at how it's supposed to look for visitors. At first, the so-called home page. Just a simple heading page with top site navigation, picture on the left, and short message on the right side. Each supposed to be half of the screen until it gets less than 800 pixels. And of course, some effects. Next, about me. Again, inheriting the same style, picture on the left side and content on the right. The short story of my life with some pictures in line. The only part that allows scrolling, as you can see. Gallery. Slightly different style, but it was necessary to meet all requirements. A table with a picture background on the left and a bootstrap gallery on the right side. Finally, contacts. A page almost identical to the home one, but with slightly different content. Hyperlinks to all possible ways to contact me. And again, some effects. Quick look through VS Code. The HTML part is not really complicated. The same header with navigation and footer for each page. Only different in main content. All CSS links to all needed files. While the common files here, style CSS with the variables on top that make it pretty easy to change the colors of the page. And of course the media CSS file that is supposed to make this page responsive for different devices. That's it. Thank you for your attention.